Welcome. Are you having trouble opening Gmail on your PC after a recent update? Don't worry, you're not alone, and we've got some quick and effective fixes to get you back to your emails in no time. First, sometimes the simplest solution is the best. Close your browser completely, then reopen it. This can often resolve minor glitches that may be preventing Gmail from loading properly. If that doesn't work, try refreshing the Gmail web page. Just click the refresh icon, usually found at the top left of your browser. Next, let's check your internet connection. Click on the network icon in your notification area to make sure you're connected to the internet and that your network is working properly. A weak or unstable connection can certainly prevent Gmail from loading. Another surprisingly effective step is to restart your device. Press the Windows icon, click the power icon, and then select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning your computer back on. This can help refresh your system's settings and connections. If Gmail still isn't opening, it's time to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Click on the three dots at the top right of your browser, then find and click on Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab that opens, ensure all options are checked and that the time range is set to all time. Finally, click Delete Data. Keep in mind that while this may fix the problem, it might also erase some of your saved settings for websites you visited. Still no luck? Here are a few more things to try. It may be worth trying a different browser such as Internet Explorer, Opera, Conqueror, Lynx, Brave, or DuckDuckGo. Also, antivirus software or certain Chrome plugins might interfere with Gmail. If you suspect a plugin is the issue, go to your Chrome preferences, find the Add-ons and Plugins menu, and remove or disable any mail-related plugins to see if that resolves the problem. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling them temporarily, as these can sometimes conflict with Gmail. In Firefox, you can try resetting the JavaScript settings. Type about.config in the address bar, accept the warning message, search for javascript.enabled, and ensure it is set to true. One more thing to consider. Make sure cookies are turned on, as antivirus software may sometimes delete them, causing issues with Gmail. If you've tried all these steps and Gmail still isn't opening, don't hesitate to contact Gmail support for further assistance.